What Rich Dad Poor Dad didn't teach you.
What does this mean?
The left side is you're still working for somebody. The right side is you're going to blow up. Employee, you have no job, no leverage. This is 95% of the world. S is self-employed. I did this at 29 years old, went to work for myself. I was making $100,000 here, went and made 30,000 here.
What?
Yeah, it was dumb. See, this is the part of the book they don't tell you about. You get hurt making the transition. Self-employed, you own your own job, no leverage. 28 million businesses in America, 22 of those have no employees.
Solopreneur.
All by yourself. B over here, the business owner. Business owner, you own a system. So when I was 32 years old, I owned a system now. I started selling this system to other people. Many of you out there are like that. This is all the way up to Microsoft or Google. One thing I know is you don't go from employee to business right away. You're going to do this. Right. You're going to do this and this and this.
Right.
Then you got to create enough money to become an investor. Now, this is what they didn't tell you in Rich Man, Poor Man, which I love the book. Okay, it's a great book and you should read it. You're working all four of those all the time. I do. Robert Kiyosaki tells you not to get a job, but when